Hello, and thank you for choosing to watch this video. This is something a little bit different. A few people have asked about actual physical boxes of these kits. So yeah, not actual kits, but boxes that look and feel and sound just like the real kits would. The original artwork was based on actual box types of various manufacturers at the appropriate size. So for example, the Imaginary Liberator kit from Blake 7 is in the same size box as the Handley Page Victor, which is one of the bigger Matchbox kits. The artwork seen in the videos shows only the top of the box. So the actual physical box requires artwork and information for the sides and the ends, and even the lower box half needs to be the right kind of cardboard so it looks and feels right. This is a prototype of Airfix Type 4 Series 2 box. It's the same size as an actual box. It features the original box top artwork seen in the videos, and then additional artwork for the sides and the ends, which includes showing sort of other kits in the series or other kits that may be of interest. And if you bought this, you may like these. And then it also has Airfix paint numbers on the sides, and I've listed the numbers that are Airfix paints of the era, matching as best you can to the actual subject matter. Again, these are prototypes. There are still some minor tweaks to be done. A little bit of tweaking in the printing. In terms of the content, the code numbers or the kit numbers on the end, those will be unique and sequential on the actual kits. Each box will have a small information sheet inside it, sort of in place of the actual kit instructions. It has a little bit of information imagining what the kit might be like. And I've included some scraps of sprue and some kit parts in the box so that, you know, when you pick it up and move it around, it feels like an actual kit, just for fun. So apart from the kit itself, there's everything you need. These two prototypes are of the smallest boxes, just so there'd be something I could sort of show as a proof of concept. You know, this video is really to see what kind of level of interest is out there. You know, who would like to buy some of these, and I'll be putting them together and packaging them myself. So we'll see how it goes. If there's more interest, we can step that up, and if there's less interest, we'll stop. If you are interested, please take a look at the website. I'll put a link in the description. I'm sort of compiling a list of the boxes that are available sort of right now. I'll be adding to that. And again, please feel free to, make requests, ask questions. But if you are interested in actually purchasing something, please email me at the Mattline67 Gmail that is on your screen now. I'm ready to start taking orders. I hope you like this idea. It'd be fun to actually make some of these. It was fun making these prototypes, I gotta say. Like, the first sort of one I put together in color was like, whee! Thanks for watching, and look forward to hearing from you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.